Welcome. In this video, we'll tackle common Outlook sign-in problems. As of February 2026, these issues persist despite Microsoft's advancements. We'll cover the most effective solutions to get you back into your email quickly. Expect a focus on both password-based and passwordless authentication methods. Outlook sign-in issues affect many users daily. Despite Microsoft's AI improvements, authentication barriers remain common. We'll explore solutions for traditional passwords, as well as modern passwordless authentication options. Our focus is on effective, quick solutions to restore your Outlook access. Outlook sign-in failures are rooted in authentication barriers within Microsoft's system. This could stem from incorrect credentials, MFA glitches, network issues, or account lockouts. We'll break down each of these and provide clear steps to identify the specific cause. Account lockouts are triggered by repeated incorrect login attempts. This security measure prevents unauthorized access, but can be frustrating when it happens accidentally. Each organization has its own lockout policy, but typically there's a cooldown period of 10 to 30 minutes before you can try signing in again. During this time, you can use self-service password reset options like Forgot Password or recovery codes to regain access without waiting. If the self-service options don't work, contact your IT administrator for help unlocking your account. Corporate firewalls and VPNs are designed to protect networks by controlling what traffic can pass through. However, they can sometimes block legitimate Outlook sign-in requests, especially in enterprise environments where security policies are strict. First, verify your network connection is working properly. Try accessing other websites or services to ensure it's not a general connectivity issue. If you can browse the internet but can't sign into Outlook, the problem likely involves firewall or VPN settings. If you're using a VPN, try temporarily disabling it to test if it's causing the sign-in block. Many corporate VPNs have strict security rules that can interfere with Outlook authentication. Once disabled, attempt to sign in again. If the issue persists, configure firewall exceptions for Outlook. In Windows, access the firewall settings and add Outlook.exe as an allowed program. Enterprise environments may require IT assistance to modify these settings due to security policies. Forgotten passwords are a common issue. We'll walk you through the Microsoft account recovery process for self-service resets. This allows you to recover your account access without needing IT support. We'll also cover password complexity requirements and best practices for creating strong, memorable passwords. Best practices for creating strong, memorable passwords include using combinations of characters and avoiding common patterns. Start with the initial checks when troubleshooting Outlook sign-in issues. First, verify that your username and password are entered correctly. Next, ensure your device is compatible and that both the device and Outlook app are fully up to date with the latest versions. Finally, try signing in through the Outlook web interface instead of the app. This can help isolate whether the issue is with the app or your account. These initial checks often resolve the most common Outlook sign-in issues quickly. Passwordless authentication is rapidly becoming the preferred method for accessing Outlook and other Microsoft services. Instead of remembering complex passwords, users can verify their identity using their phone or biometric features. The most common passwordless methods include the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition. Setting up passwordless authentication is straightforward. First, download the Microsoft Authenticator app from your App Store. Then link your Microsoft account and enable the passwordless option. The app will guide you through adding your account. You'll see options for personal or work accounts and can scan a QR code or enter details manually. If you encounter issues, common fixes include ensuring the app is updated, checking your internet connection, or re-registering your device through your Microsoft account settings. Looking ahead, passwordless authentication represents the future of secure access. By removing passwords entirely, These methods reduce security risks and simplify the sign-in process for users worldwide. For enterprise users, Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure AD, plays a crucial role in managing secure access to Outlook and other Microsoft services. IT administrators can enforce multi-factor authentication policies through the Entra Admin Center, ensuring all users must use MFA for secure sign-ins. The MFA process requires users to verify their identity with multiple methods, such as a code sent to their phone or biometric authentication. Automated diagnostics within Entra ID help identify and resolve sign-in issues, significantly reducing support tickets and improving user experience. A Fortune 500 company provides a real-world example of how automated MFA enforcement through Microsoft Entra ID can dramatically improve Outlook sign-in reliability. This company was dealing with 2,645 IT requests each month, many related to Outlook authentication problems. The company began by deploying Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure AD, as their identity management platform. Next, they enabled automated multi-factor authentication enforcement across all Outlook accounts. The results were impressive. The company achieved a 50% reduction in Outlook sign-in support tickets. During a phishing simulation, while 20% of users initially failed sign-ins, AI diagnostics guided them to secure recovery, preventing data breaches. This implementation transformed their Outlook experience, demonstrating the power of automated security measures. Global Outlook outages can disrupt access for millions of users. These outages occur due to server issues, updates, or unexpected failures, lasting from minutes to hours. During these outages, users who have set up backup authentication methods can regain access much faster than those relying solely on primary methods. One common backup method is recovery codes, unique one-time use codes generated when setting up multi-factor authentication. These codes bypass the need for app verification during outages. It's crucial to set up these backup methods before an outage occurs. This includes generating recovery codes and storing them securely. Having backup authentication methods ready ensures you can maintain access to critical email and data even during unexpected global outages. Error codes are specific numbers or messages that appear when something goes wrong with your computer or application. In the context of Outlook sign-in problems, these codes provide valuable clues about the underlying issue, helping you troubleshoot more effectively. A common error code you'll encounter is 0x807005, which typically means access denied. This error indicates that the system is preventing access to a file, folder, or resource due to permission restrictions. Here's an example of how this error might appear on your screen. This image shows the access denied message in Windows, which could occur when trying to access Outlook or related files. This error can also appear during Windows updates, as shown here. Notice the error code X80007005 highlighted, indicating the same access denied issue preventing the update from completing. Common causes of this error include insufficient user permissions, where your account doesn't have the necessary rights to access the resource. It could also be due to corrupted system files, recent updates that changed permissions, or security software blocking access. To resolve 0x80705, first try running the application as an administrator. Right-click the Outlook icon and select Run as Administrator to bypass permission restrictions. Check your user account permissions. Ensure your account has administrator privileges, or contact your IT administrator to grant the necessary access rights. Use Windows built-in troubleshooters. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, and run the relevant troubleshooter for the issue you're experiencing. If the problem persists, consider repairing or reinstalling Outlook. For Windows updates causing the issue, try running the Update Troubleshooter or performing a system file check using the command prompt with sfc scannow. This flowchart provides a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting access-denied errors. It walks you through questions to identify the specific cause and directs you to the appropriate solution section. Remember, error codes like 0x80070005 are diagnostic tools. By understanding their meaning and following systematic solutions, you can often resolve Outlook sign-in issues quickly and maintain secure access to your account. Community forums and peer support can be incredibly valuable when troubleshooting Outlook sign-in issues. Don't underestimate the power of community support. We'll guide you to official Microsoft forums and online communities where you can find answers to specific Outlook sign-in problems. For example, the Power Apps community shows how forums organize topics and user discussions. And the Microsoft Community Interface helps navigate to the right help sections, even if Outlook isn't directly listed in some dropdowns. The benefits include getting peer answers to specific problems, finding quick solutions from shared experiences, and learning from others who have faced similar issues. When using forums, search for existing threads first, provide detailed information about your problem, and follow up on responses. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant that's becoming increasingly important for troubleshooting Outlook sign-in issues. Integrated into Microsoft 365, Copilot can analyze your specific problem and provide real-time guidance to resolve authentication failures. Copilot works alongside Outlook and other Microsoft apps through the Microsoft Graph, which connects your data across services. This allows the AI to understand the context of your sign-in problem and suggest targeted solutions. For example, if you encounter a sign-in error like the one shown here, Copilot can guide you through immediate fixes. It might suggest checking your network connection, verifying your credentials, or using alternative authentication methods. Copilot provides personalized support by learning from your account history and common issues. It can recommend specific steps like resetting your password through self-service options or enabling backup authentication codes to prevent future lockouts. As quantum computing advances, traditional encryption methods become vulnerable. Outlook's future security will integrate quantum-resistant encryption, using mathematically hard problems that quantum computers cannot easily solve, along with secure key management and hybrid models that combine classical and quantum-safe algorithms. A potential shift toward decentralized identity systems powered by blockchain will make Outlook sign-ins more resilient. Users control their own identities through decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials, reducing reliance on central systems and enhancing security against cyber threats. Experts emphasize that sign-in problems are often human error-driven. We'll share insights from Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, who advocates for eliminating passwords entirely to improve security and reduce support queries. According to Microsoft's Digital Defense Report from 2025, sign-in issues affect a significant portion of Outlook users. Specifically, 1 in 4 Outlook users encounter sign-in problems each year, highlighting the scale of this challenge. Multi-factor authentication failures make up 45% of all reported sign-in issues. Additionally, password resets are responsible for 30% of these authentication difficulties. The fishbone diagram illustrates various contributing factors to these sign-in problems, from system issues to user specifications. Overall, these statistics from the Digital Defense Report demonstrate that sign-in issues are widespread, with MFA and password problems being the most common causes. We've covered a range of solutions to fix Outlook sign-in problems. Remember to stay vigilant, keep your software up to date, and use strong authentication methods. With these tips, you'll be able to maintain secure and reliable access to your Outlook account.